In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the setup ink cartridges in your HP DeskJet 2742e printer. Now plug in the power cable, switch on the printer, open the front door, also open the ink chamber door. Now take the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging. Remove this orange seal. Same with this ink cartridge, remove the orange seal. Now weight the ink chamber. Once it is in the middle, now place the black ink cartridge on the black side. So you just have to slide it in, push it with your finger, hold the printer with the other hand. Now close this door.